This video covers PortalCam unboxing, setup, and software and hardware activation. Inside the box, you will find the PortalCam device, accessories, and a user manual. Make sure that the side with arrow marker faces upward when inserting the battery. Push the battery along the guide rails to the bottom. Grip both side latches until fully inserted. If not fully inserted, the lock will show red. Remove the rubber plug from the phone mount port. Insert the phone mount as shown and tighten the knob. If the phone has a magnetic attachment function, attach the phone to the phone holder magnetically. If the phone does not have a magnetic attachment function, peel off the sticker of the magnetic ring, stick it on the back of the phone, and then attach the phone to the phone mount magnetically. For first-time use, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. Wait for the steady yellow light indicating the device is ready. Please download the LCC Scan app first. Tap the PortalCam icon at the bottom, select your device name, and tap Activate. The app will automatically enter scanning mode upon successful activation. Alternatively, use wired connection mode. In the scanning interface, press and hold the red button or double press the device button to start scanning. After startup, the app shows Scan Initialization with a rapid green flash on PortalCam. Once the light changes to a slow green flash, slowly lift the device and begin scanning. To stop scanning, press and hold the red button in the app or double press the device button. The green light will flash rapidly while saving data, then turn solid green to confirm successful completion. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to shut down. After scanning, connect the device to your computer using the included USB-C cable. The device will automatically enter USB mode. You can now copy the captured data to your computer. Open LCC Studio, click the user button in the top right corner, select Redeem Code, and enter the included annual license code on the LCC Studio card to activate your license.